demonstrate now the Cocourse CI setup with the Docker Compose. So you can download the docker compose.yaml file from this URL for Cocourse CI. Once you have downloaded it, wherever you have stored the docker compose.yaml file, whichever directory, from there run this command docker compose up -t. So now this will start pulling all the Docker images. So meanwhile, the Cocourse CI is deployed using Docker Compose. Let's take a look at the compose.yaml file. As you can see, there are two services, Cocourse DB and the Cocourse itself. So Cocourse uses Postgres as a database, and the Cocourse DB is running on the service name Cocourse-DB with these credentials. Then the Cocourse service is exposed on port 9080, and it is using the Cocourse database with the host name Cocourse-DB because the service is Cocourse-DB. So yeah, this is the Cocourse docker compose.yaml file. Okay, so now the Cocourse has been deployed using the Docker Compose. You can go into the container tools extension and you will see this Cocourse-CI Docker Compose stack, and both the containers are up and running. You can check the logs by clicking the doing right click and doing view logs. So these are the logs for the Cocourse application itself. You can also attach a shell to basically SSH into the Docker container of Cocourse. You can also inspect the specification. Then you can also open the browser to view the Cocourse application. So it directly opens at port 9080. Let's log in using test user. Okay, so this Cocourse dashboard is up and running. Now let's use the Fly CLI to set up the Hello World pipeline. So first I need to log in using the Fly CLI. I have logged in, and in this directory there is a hello world.yaml file, which basically is a pipeline specification. So I will use this command to set up the pipeline, and then you need to unpause the pipeline. You can also do this using UI. So let's go to the UI and see how it is done. So you can pause or unpause, and I will now run the job. So this is how you run the job. So the job has been completed successfully. So as you can see, it's quite easy to deploy application stack using Docker Compose. And currently the Docker is running on the virtual machine provisioned by Colima. So as you can see here.